And ride-hailing giant Uber is still not out of the woods yet. It is still suffering losses, and as it spent more to entice drivers to return to platform share mobility app Uber, it has reported widening losses in the second quarter. However, trips and deliveries, they grew as driver incentives hit revenue at ride-hailing and food delivering firm. Uber posted an adjusted $509 million second quarter loss before EBITDA, which is interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization, widening losses by nearly $150 million from first quarter. But company has reaffirmed its goal of hitting profitability on an adjusted EBITDA basis at the end of this year and said it would reduce losses to $100 million in third quarter. Uber said riders returned to its platform in greater numbers last month, and it expects the trend to continue in the coming months too. Together with strong food delivery orders that assumes more contagious Delta variant of COVID-19, it does not reverse a gradual reopening of economy in US. It's an issue that rival Lyft said it was monitoring, but investors are worried about ongoing shortage of drivers in industry as demand ramps up. Lyft earlier said it expected limited driver supply to continue in next quarter as well. Uber's monthly active drivers and food delivery workers had increased by 50%, or by nearly 420,000 drivers from February to July this year. Uber also spent a massive $250 million in driver incentive investments in second quarter, which increased losses at its ride-hailing business. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.